Welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple voting machine using an Arduino, an LCD display, and a few buttons. This project is perfect for anyone interested in learning how to create interactive electronics with Arduino. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino Uno, a 16x2 LCD display, 4 push buttons for voting and displaying results, a buzzer, a breadboard, jumper wires. First, let's set up our circuit. Connect the LCD to digital pins 6 through 11 on the Arduino. The buttons for voting will be connected to digital pins 2, 3, and 4, and the final result button to pin 12. The buzzer is connected to pin 13. Be sure to enable the pull-up resistors for each button by connecting them to the ground. Next, let's take a look at the code. This code allows us to count votes for 3 different candidates and display the results on the LCD. When you press the result button, the machine calculates which candidate received the most votes and displays the winner on the screen. The buzzer also beeps to confirm the results. With everything connected, let's power up the Arduino and start voting. As each button is pressed, the vote is registered and shown on the LCD display. Once voting is done, press the final result button to see which candidate has won. If there's a tie or no votes have been cast, the machine will display an appropriate message. And there you have it, a fully functional voting machine built with Arduino. This project is a great way to learn about digital inputs, LCDs, and using a buzzer for feedback in your projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more cool projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.